Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to boost up your computer and laptop. If your PC and laptop isn't old, so let's try this step. This step will help your computer. So let's get started, bro. I will show you how to boost up your PC and computer, man. Are you worrying about your computer? I will show you. Let's go. Here you can click on control panel, or you can also search in search bar control panel and then click on it. Here you need to click on first on. Here you need to click on security and maintenance. Did you heard about before security and maintenance? No bro, you didn't. So let's click on security and maintenance. To explain the maintenance option. Here, the option is laid in the window Start Maintenance. Click on it. Okay, before this, I've been completed my maintenance. Your option is mean here to start maintenance. You need to start your maintenance now that your PC will be boosted up. Let's go to another step. In another step, I will show you how to boost up your computer. Go to Settings, search Setting. Here, scroll down and search for notification. You can find a notification bar. Click on it. Note that notification is only for to not disturb you on a work that you are on the time. Option is focus mode. When you are on urgent work, you can on the focus mode. Let's show you how focus mode works. You can set focus mode with your own choice, with your own time, how time you need it to focus your urgent work. Here in the bottom, you can see that notification icon has put to sleep. So that's how you can add a focus mode. If it is interesting, press the like icon, press the bell icon to subscribe the channel, that you will not miss my another video. So let's connect with me with any type of problem. You can DM, comment.